everyone, welcome to our special lunch event. Beyond bottling the future, travel unlimited. We would like to thank everyone for joining us today. First, let me introduce company. Our company name is Chuang Papa. Our slogan is Travel Beyond Time. Show our promise to save every minute of your life. With year of research, advanced skill and innovative idea. We have earned great review and built a strong reputation. Our goal is simple: remove the limit of time and distance, giving busy professional like you more opportunity to focus on what matters your business.
Now let's take about our amazing news products. The inventions, Now let's take about our news product. Now let's take about our amazing news product. The machines. Okay. The imagine never having suffer through long fights or traveling but right again. Or the simpler machine created teleportation war. So you can a new gadget this mix up specials one powder in the right amount. So can you travel in testings to your chosen prey winter is a but Sterling's city in an enter civilization. History and we made it. The created industrialization after after hearings from many business peoples like Gene is food intensive was wasted. So the long journey and quick specials push our team is the better solution. And what feature and we made it? One towels. Two smart technology.
3 easy to use. Step 1, choose the location, receive where you want to go. Step 2, payment, pay by cash, card, or digital payment. Step 3, mixing the magic powder. The system prepared the perfect formula. Step 4. Packing and dispensing. The bubble is ready for use. Okay, 4. Premium experience. Our gadget is designed to be both essential and elegant, giving you a high quality travel experience. The smart dispenser start at 15,000 baht for trips up to 300 kilometers. Today, you can get a 10% discount on the price. It isn't just a product, it is an investment in your most valuable asset, your time. Okay. Target customer, busy, professional, and inclusive, who need quick and comfortable travel. And real customer stories show how we make tips effortless and luxurious.
Let's take a look at how this smart dispenser works. I will show you how this works. 1. Choose location. Select your destination such as Phuket. Whether you want to settle in a peaceful retreat, the system will instantly calculate a good value for money price. 2. Payment. Multiple payment options are available here. He simulates a straightforward and honest online payment. 3. Mixing the magic powder. The intelligent system precisely measures and mix the formula for a safe and satisfying travel experience. 4. Packing and dispensing. The mixture is sealed in a bubble. Just take it. And you will arrive at your destination instantly, whether it's a modern city or a historic site rich with culture. This demonstration showcases the satisfaction, efficiency, and good value for money our product offers.
Don't just believe our word for it. Here are some comment review. Michael says time is saved by using the smart dispenser, where every minute counts, and this is the right solution. Shaya says this is the future of travel and combinations of luxury and speed is well worth the price. But a consumer told about his frustration because the device didn't work, and but we are ready help you. Just scan QR code at the booth, and our team will have the issue check and fix for you. This review proves
our commitment to providing excellent service and continually improving our products. Thank you for joining us today at this important event. With the smart dispenser, teleported innovation is offering not just a product, but a new way of life. Where travel is quick, comfortable, and luxurious, we are not here to change the system, but to revolutionize it. Unlike others, we do not take the dishonest route in cutting corners. We do not take the dishonest. We do not take the dishonest route in cutting corners, but instead focus on innovation and quality. This isn't just another product that looks like a simple gadget. It's a leap into the future of travel. We invite you to visit our booth at Quezon Village in Bangkok, located between Chanel and Prada, and experience this groundbreaking technology yourself. Let's travel beyond time and break all boundaries. Thank you.
ตอนแรกนะตอนเปิดบริษัทเนี่ยครบถ้วนตามคอนเทนต์นะฮะแต่ที่จะตอนที่เราพูดถึงอาจารย์อาจจะแนะนำเนาะเพราะว่ามันจะไม่ใช่ช่วงที่เราเรียกว่าอะไรอ่ะมาช่วงที่เราจะมาเป็นเหมือนคนแรกที่เราทำตัวกระทำเพราะฉะนั้นมันจะมีตรงคำสั่งมาอันนี้ตรงนี้บอกว่า during the session the group will showcase the product through a live demonstration เนี่ยเราขาดตรงนี้ไปนะครับนี่ถามว่าอาจารย์มันเป็นว้าวทำยังไงแล้วก็นึกถึงว่าเราก็อาจจะอัดเป็นวิดีโอมันก็ได้นึกออกเนาะหรือแบบแบ็กกราวด์เป็นเพื่อนจะไปเที่ยวเป็นอะไรแล้วก็วาไปอ่ะเพราะว่ามันมีคำนี้เลยนะ a live demonstration เราคิดว่าของผมมันจะไลฟ์ได้นะอาจารย์เพราะมันไม่ได้ตัวที่เป็นแบบจับต้องได้มันเป็นวิดีโอนะนึกออกเนาะเราอาจจะนึกออกว่าก็ทำอยู่ตรงนี้แล้วก็อาจจะเป็นวิดีโอออกมาแล้วอันนี้เราเพื่อนคนที่ใครก็ได้นะฮะหรือคนในกลุ่มก็ได้สมมติเนาะก็หาที่หลบอ่ะคิดภาพแบบนั้นนี่ไงตอนนี้เขาอยู่ภูเก็ตเป็นทะเลเล่นน้ำอยู่เพราะว่ามันจะต้องบอกว่า live demonstration เนี่ยเป็นเพราะว่าอย่างอื่นอ่ะเราบอกสเต็ปชัดเจนอันนี้ดีนะจุดแตกต่างมีหมดเลยจะคู่แข่งประโยชน์กับการใช้งาน so if I ask you more how about your main customer
Busy professional.
main customer is
Busy professional.
Miss
Busy.
busy yeah I see this word busy like the business people เนาะลูกค้าจะเป็นกลุ่ม business people so how can you interact or you attract this group of people to attract this group of people
Because they
how can you attract these business people to buy this product
represent how this work and benefit of our product. Yeah, because if they need to like quick or have to come for travel, what they need, just use our product.
Okay. But what I think, like you can, because I think this is the things that you can ที่เราตอบเนาะที่มันอยู่แล้วเนี่ยแต่ไม่ทราบว่าเช็คนี่เห็นไหม The smart dispenser start at 15,000 baht for trips up to 300 kilometers, and today you get a 10%. This is the way that you can attract the business people really. ตรงนี้มีอยู่แล้วแต่ดาวชิดนิดนึงว่าใช่ไหมแต่ว่าก็เหมือนกันนะการมีส่วนร่วมก่อนเพื่อนๆในห้องอาจจะยังไม่มีคนที่หันไป And how about customers? Yes, Michael, no? Yes, the future traveler. But a customer chose about, so you focus on the customer. Okay. แล้วก็มาปิดท้ายตรง Thank you. ปิดอย่างcreativity and user and activity นะครับก็มีแต่ว่าไม่ได้ชัดเจนมาก Did I read notes? ผู้ชายแต่อาจจะมีสติบ้างในการจุด vocabulary อยู่ช่วงนี้34นะครับก็เดี๋ยวเราอัพลง YouTube เนาะ